the high Guardpost, an Ardahan adventure. Alp stepped off the train, pulling his thick woolen hat down to his nose. The air was sharp, like tiny needles. "Wow, Ezra," he called to his cousin, who was waiting cheerfully. "It's so high up and so cold." Ezra grinned, handing him a thermos of hot tea. "Welcome to Ardahan, Alp. We are nearly 1,900 meters above sea level here. It's one of Turkey's highest and coldest provinces. That means beautiful, clear winter skies and a lot of history protected by the mountains." "So where do we start?" Alp asked, taking a warming sip. Ezra pointed to a massive stone structure dominating the skyline. "We start with the heart of the city, Ardahan Castle. It sits right on the Kura River, guarding the ancient Silk Road route." They walked up to the towering walls. Ezra explained that the castle had stood here since the medieval period, changing hands many times between empires, from the Ottomans to the Russians and back again. "It's a silent storyteller of trade, conflict, and strategy," she whispered. The next morning, Ezra drove them out of the city higher and higher. Suddenly, a vast sheet of white appeared. "Lake Sildir," she announced. "When winter hits, this lake freezes solid. It becomes a massive natural ice rink and our favorite place for ice fishing." Alp watched local fishermen using small axes to cut holes in the thick ice. "They catch carp and other freshwater fish," Ezra explained, demonstrating how to drop a line. "You have to be patient, but the quiet stillness out here is special." After the ice, they headed east toward the Georgian border to another unique lake, Lake Aktas. "This one is known for life, not ice," Ezra said. "It's an important wetlands area, a stopping point for hundreds of species of migratory birds." Ezra pointed to the sky. "Keep an eye out for pelicans, various geese, and ducks. Birdwatching here is a major activity, especially in the warmer months, as this region sits right on one of the great migration routes." As the sun set, casting long purple shadows over the high plains, Alp felt he understood Ardahan much better. "It's more than just cold," he mused. "It's tough, resilient, and beautiful. The land itself is a guard post for history." Ezra smiled. "Exactly. Ardahan is essential history and enduring nature. Whether you're learning about its ancient roads or watching the birds fly free over the lakes, you realize this city doesn't just endure the cold, it thrives in it."